We're making Keto Orzo, which is a pasta that looks like rice. Let's go! Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, we are currently doing a series on keto pasta. Please do take a look around, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new recipe. This video is for people who love using Lupin Flour and want to make Keto Orzo, which is a pasta that looks like rice. Do note this recipe is not gluten-free. If you want to make a gluten-free Keto Orzo, click on this link now. As usual, the ingredients, macros, storage and cooking instructions are listed in the description box. I've also linked some Lupin Flour options if you do wish to purchase it. Let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 122 grams or 2/3 of a cup of vital wheat gluten, then 122 grams of Lupin flour, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt, then a 1/4 teaspoon or 1 gram of xanthan gum. Give it a whisk to incorporate the xanthan gum into the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, beat 1 egg, then add it, 12 ml or 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and lastly 88 ml of water. Room temperature is fine. Then using your paddle attachment, mix to combine. Just want to show you this, partway through it'll look like this, but keep mixing until your dough comes together in big clumps. This is the dough 2/3 of the way through mixing. You can see it hasn't yet formed big clumps. Keep going. And there you go, your dough is ready. Remove the dough from your bowl and your total dough weight should be 403 grams. Then form each ball into a sausage shape. This is perfect for this type of pasta to be compatible with your machine. If you're doing this by hand, roll out the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper as thin as possible. Then cut the spaghetti shape using a pizza cutter or a knife. If you're using a pasta machine, set your speed on 6 to 8, which is semi-fast. Then using the spaghetti plate, extrude the pasta. Next, lay out your spaghetti on a lined baking sheet and bake for half an hour on the lowest setting for your oven. At this point, your pasta will be semi-soft, but much easier to cut because it won't be so sticky. Then grab a small handful of spaghetti, about 4 to 6, and cut them into the orzo shape, which looks like rice. You can either lay them on a cutting board and use a knife, or simply use a kitchen scissors. Lay the orzo back into the baking tray and bake for another half an hour. Well, I hope you enjoy this tutorial and get to make Keto Orzo and have another alternative to cauliflower rice. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.